You can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream11 rules and regulations and very accurate teams. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. In this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between CSK versus KKR by using our beautiful team generator software. What we are going to do in this video is that first of all we will analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will generate the Grand League winning teams using our software. So without having any further ado, let's get started. So let's analyze the data. The probable playing 11 for the today's match between CSK versus KKR will be from CSK side: Ruturaj Gaikwad, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, MS Dhoni, Sam Curran, Shardul Thakur, Dwayne Bravo and Deepak Chahar. And from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Shakib Al Hasan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell, Pat Cummins, Harbhajan Singh, Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarti are the probable playing 11 from the KKR side. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides. From the CSK side, Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, especially Moeen Ali is in good touch, as well as Faf du Plessis, as well as Suresh Raina is also in very good touch, and Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran. And from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins are the top players from KKR side. And in the point of view of our software, let's analyze the players that we can consider as captain potential players in our software in order to generate the fantasy teams. So from the CSK side, those will be Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina will be the captain potential players, and from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill and Andrew Russell are the captain potential players from KKR side. So as well as the captains, let's analyze the vice captains data as well. We can consider vice captains as Faf du Plessis, Moeen Ali, Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu, Ravindra Jadeja and Sam Curran from the CSK side, and from the KKR side, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Ian Morgan, Andrew Russell and Pat Cummins can be considered as a vice captain potential players in our software in order to generate the fantasy teams. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch, that means it is going to support for both batting and bowling as well, and the average score will be 167. That means we can expect anything around 330 plus runs out of 40 overs. And according to our software, so let's analyze some specific points that will help us to generate the accurate Grand League teams, which will help us to crack the Grand Leagues eventually. So those tips will be: the first thing will be the credit range. The team credit range should be 98.5 to 100. This is the ideal credit range for today's match, as well as the team combinations. That means we can since CSK is little more stronger than KKR, we are favoring CSK a lot. That means we can consider 7 players from CSK and 4 players from KKR, as well as 6 players from CSK and 5 players from KKR. And let's analyze some of the best combinations also. So it is going to be 1 wicket keeper match, 1 wicket keeper teams today. Definitely 1 wicket keeper. Don't go with 2 wicket keepers at all. No, so it will be 1-4-2-4 for 1-5-2-3 and 1-4-3-3. These are the 3 combinations that are more likely to be in the Grand League to get the dream team or the Grand League winning teams. So by using all the data that we have, let's generate the teams in our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is advanced team generator software. It uses lot of techniques and algorithms in order to generate the 100% winning teams. So this software supports wide variety of fantasy applications that include Dream11 and My Team 11, MPL and other things. And those who want the software, I have already provided you the contact details in the description box below, as well as in the comment section below. And this is how it looks. First of all, we need to click on cricket, and after that we need to click on generate teams. and after that we need to choose the fantasy in which the team is in between, in which we are playing. Here I am selecting Dream 11. After that continue, and we need to choose the series as well. Here IPL is the series, and here there are three types here. The first two sections are for those who don't have much knowledge on fantasy. These two are for those just in these two sections you just need to select the players that are playing. Everything will be selected by the software. These accurate, and those teams are also accurate teams, and those teams will be generated by the software along with all the combinations and all the strategies. And for those who have good enough knowledge, they have to go for advanced generation section. This is the section that we are going to use today, and this is a even more powerful section, but because we are going to add our skills along with the software skills in order to generate even more better teams. So let me quickly click on continue, and after that we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. Here the match is in between CSK versus CSK versus KKR, and after that click on continue, and we need to give match number. You can give any match number, there is no problem at all, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams are stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. So you can give any match number. Let me give 140 as the match number, and continue. And after that you need to select at least 6 players from each team. That means you can select 11 from each team. So let me quickly select the players that I have given in the slides. So let me quickly select them. These are the players. These are the players that I have given in the slides. I am quickly selecting these players. So these are the players from KKR side, and from the CSK side, MS Dhoni, Rutraj Gaikwad, Raina, Raidu, Duplessis, Moeen Ali, Jadeja, Sam Curran, Bravo, D. Chahar, and Sadhu Thakur. These are the players from both the sides. After that, let me quickly click on continue, and we need to select the fixed players. Here you can select any 0 to 9. That means you can leave this section as it is, but whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be definitely there in every team. That means if you feel a player will definitely play on today, you will have to select them. Here I feel Suresh Raina is in good touch. I would like to select him. At the same time, there are 2 wicket keepers in both the sections. One is MS Dhoni and the other is Dinesh Karthik. I feel Dinesh Karthik is better than MS Dhoni in terms of fantasy points. That's why Dinesh Karthik I am also fixing him. After that continue, and also and after that you need to click on the players you want to consider as a captain. I have already given you the players that you can consider as captain. These are the players. Here are Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, and Rasul can be considered as a captain, as well as from the CSK side, Raina, Moeen Ali, and Faf du Plessis can be considered as a captain players. And after that, click on continue, and we can consider the players you need to select you consider as a vice captain. Now it is vice captain time, so let's select the players I have given in the slides. Let me quickly do that. And after that from the CSK side, these are the players I feel they have the potential to become vice captains. So after that continue, and I have already given you in the slides as well that we are favoring CSK here. CSK is second team, that means we are going to favor second team, which is a 7-4 and a 6-5. After that continue, and we need to give the credit range. I have already given you in the slides as well. 98.5 to 100 is the credit range that we are going with today. After that continue, and we need to select the strategies. I have already given you the strategies as well. 1433, 1425, sorry 1424 and 1523. These are the 3 strategies I have given. So after that click on continue, and after that we need to enter the number of teams you want to generate. Here I want to generate 11 teams. You can generate anywhere between 1 to 3333, but 11 teams are completely fine to crack the Grand League. So after that we need to click on generate teams. So you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on dream level rules and regulations. I think background picture is not at loading. Okay, you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on dream level rules and regulations, and very accurate teams. And those who want the software, can contact me in the description. I have already provided you the contact details in the description box below and in the comment section below. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.